nicer than most places that we stay at, but it's got a pool I can use when I get off the plane. Good place to sleep, right across the street from Goosty's. And one night here for usually $9 including breakfast. Where are you? Cerebu Mimpi. Agus has made a really nice garden right here, and we're staying in the very end bungalow. New house, 2006-2007 in Lovina.
Kejamnya si kamu membakar sehingga cintaku dirimu tak mengerti.
Ayo terus, tangan di atas, tangan di atas. Ke pangkuan, yes, tarik terus. Ada angkut-angkut tuh, kengke tuh.
Mudah-mudahan ini hanya mimpi, sedih di hari.
Om Swastiastu. Yan ini, gede Alma. Bisa jalan-jalan? Sepatunya.
Sepatu bapak nasi lihat.
Kewa untuk menek. Oh, sepatu dia. Hilang sepatu. Aduh. Aduh. Sepatu. Coba buan. Oh, duwag. Ngaba menek maluan. Ide duwag. Kewa untuk menek. Ah. Anggon. Ani paling cantik di Bali. Bayi ini.
This is Meme out in the, I guess it's the green bondalon. This is our house right here. It's early morning, well it's like 7:30, but the tide is probably going out right now. We sit here and this is it's our little yard.
What is going on here? Ah! There's someone way up in my tree. Whoa! First time I've ever seen that Santa Claus has just come by Jukung from Finland, just did this dance. And now, for the first time ever, I've seen Santa Claus in Bali. Yep, it's Santa Claus, all right. The real one. Santa Claus in person. The kids get to go out with Santa in the Jukung.
Eikä takka paina selkää. Kokki pitää siitä pyrystä kiinni sitten, ettei se tipaa. Oh.
Tervetuloa joulupukki.
Kuuma eikä lunta missään.
Mennään tuolta portista.
Minun piti sitten tilata erikseen tällainen. Olipa hyvä.
Ada. Sorry Kak Ajak. Lu lajah lu. Ada.
Really scared. What is it? Oh no, it's the thing I'm most afraid of. It's the durian. They have brought it into my porch. Putu. Yan buka mabo sakayang kayang. Mimi takut. Oh, it's gonna open up here. Aji, where are you? Oh, there you are. What are you doing? Drinking? Drinking what? What is that, Aji? Avocado. They drink avocados here? We use it for dip in America. Weird place here. Weird place in Bali. Here comes the stink.
Yeah.
Ken Asane. John? Some more. The one we've been most afraid of. God, it looks like a fetus. Here it goes. It's near his nose.
It is so fun. The heart of the stone.
What do you think? Should I try it?
Well, the taste isn't as bad as the smell.
Oh, really? Because I'm going to do this once for the picture, but if it's also awful, I'm going to throw up. Munta. Sings Jalek. How's the competition? Huh? Pretty good? Which one is it?
Not for me, though.
This one? He's okay? Eating it. Ngajang makajang. Karena Meme Aji sang maki tu. Ampura. Man? Teman ayunan?
Yeah.
Ya?
Yen apakah dene ada rasa di kana bali, rasa benyah rasa kambang nerawan, bakat basangat beli percaya. Apening adilas hati mo bogin bali ngaku tu sing latunang.
What's he doing? Lip syncing?
Tugas marane ketemu ngajak bali tor masing mengharapan.
They're all lip syncing, huh?
Nyenana kesing demen, nyenana kesing pede.
On camera. Jalek be Luchu. It's Goosty at my house. He really came? I can't believe it. He came to my house. Goosty boy. In person.
Gathering her net. I think she's going to pull it out part. She caught 2 little fish and an octopus or something. And she